If you are on a hunt for place to your second home where you can burst the stress of your life and find the peace in your inner soul, so we have an exact location where we are providing you the row houses for 27 lakh rupees all inclusive. This beautiful society is constructed at a walkable distance from railway station and it have a mesmerizing view of a river. Our society provides you a multiple amenities which include 24 by 7 security, children play area, senior citizen sit out area, free parking and 24 by 7 water supply. For more detail you can contact us on our given number so that we can arrange your site visit.